this clip, this driver of the Dashcam has his family in the car, and he decides he doesn't want to let this orange car over here merge in. So speeds up and causes an accident. Let's watch.
Yeah, mommy's doctor's office. No, not by mommy's work. This one we're not going anywhere near mommy's work.
Oh, Jesus Christ, baby.
Fucking piece of shit. Can't even fuck it. Pull over. God, pull over where it's safe. Pull over.
Thank you, fucking asshole.
Let's watch that again.
Yeah, mommy's
So
doctor's
this
office.
driver clearly has his family in the car, his kid and his
Not
wife.
by mommy's work. This one we're not going anywhere near.
Right here, this orange car has his turn signal on, trying to merge into the left lane so he can pass this truck up ahead. Given this isn't an ideal distance to merge safely, but it's still enough distance where this driver can slow down and create enough room for this driver in the orange car to merge safely. But what this driver does instead is he steps on the gas, and you can hear the engine revving up. And he speeds up. And right here, at this point, the orange car is already in. Just hit the brakes, let off the gas, hit the brakes. But nope, it's gonna squeeze in and hit the car. Why? Why is it such an ego battle for some people?
Piece of shit.
It's like they get into this mindset where anybody that gets in front of them or goes faster than them, it's like a race. They're losing something.
Pull over.
I'm not sure why some people do this, but really, when you're driving, put safety first. Doesn't matter if you're right and they're wrong. Put your safety first. It's not about being right when you're driving. It's about being safe, especially when you have your family in the car. This right here, the moment you see this person trying to merge, slow down, let off the gas instead of wasting gas. And now you might have been right legally, not saying this person was right legally, but now you have to pull over, exchange information. Now your day's ruined. Your schedule is now put behind, right? And now you have to deal with insurance. Why go through all that trouble? Even if you are right, why go through all that trouble when you could have avoided it right here by just letting off the gas? Simple, but very hard for some people to do because they get their ego twisted up into it. Always prioritize safety over being right. Doesn't matter who's right if you're dead. It doesn't matter if you're right if you're in the hospital. Prioritize safety over being correct.